A rat came into my office and it ate my erasers with crumbs. It left crumbs for me to clean up. It didn't just eat some here, it left some on the table. If that's not the height of disrespect, tell me what it is. You're welcome to another vlog. Good morning. Today I just decided to do some cleaning myself, and my plans for today to teach. I'm already teaching anyways. I'm teaching because Joy is teaching some of the student trouser while some of them are going through the corset course through the videos. They've done some personal practice, but I just felt like they should go through the ones I made for the online class. So everybody's busy. So one of my plans today, I plan on starting, I hope I can finish a trouser, like a palazzo tutorial that will be going up this week. I realized I don't have any tutorial down. I have a vlog down to edit and post. So I need to make that palazzo tutorial. I'm making a top for it. I have something in my head, but I hope it works out fine. Then this vlog, what else? There was something else in my mind today. So good news, guys, I'm starting on a wellness challenge. They started yesterday, but I will try and just join them today. It was organized by a lady. Her name is Sharon. She's an Oriflamer. I love what I'm seeing so far. I'll be hopping on the challenge today, so I may go get some fruits, veggies. The thing is, you want to create a balance between your health, your family, the business, or the brand, and all that. You don't want anyone to suffer. But somebody said there is nothing like balance, that something has to give for the other. Unfortunately, I agree with the person to an extent, but we can only try our best, right? We can only try our best. If you are very, very career driven, chances are some things in your life will suffer. You may not have time for your health, exercising and all that. Meanwhile, if you are laid back and you focus on your body, guys, God will help us. Adulting is not easy. Adulting is not easy. So I posted a video over the weekend. It was on how YouTube paid me in the first year of monetization. And I'm not happy that somebody posted a comment that, that means she has to leave YouTube because the money is too small. Yeah, the money is small. The truth is, it was a slow growth. I was not having so much engagement on my videos as at then. I was not having so much views rather on my videos as at that time. It has improved dramatically. One day I'm going to just sit down, then we'll analyze a particular month or a particular video and how much it's earned. So it's not that bad, guys. Don't run away. I don't want to be the reason why somebody decides not to do something. Yeah, I know that pay was really small for that year. And like I mentioned, I kept questioning myself whether it was worth it. But like I said, again, your passion must be that thing that keeps you going. Else it's easy to give up on that. So yeah, that happened. That was bad. There are people that are on YouTube, sewing content creators, that joined even after me, but they got to it immediately. They got that consistency thing right from the beginning. Like I said, it is not my own main, how will I put it, that's not my main gig. I have other things, so I can't use all my time to be recording and editing videos, but thankfully some things can be delegated, and then you can create more time for whatever you want to do. So there are people that started YouTube that within 1 year they earned much more than that. Talk about times 5 of that within 1 year. So I don't want to project my own reality on you. If you're thinking of doing YouTube, get onto it and start doing it consistently, else you may just be wasting your time. If you're uploading once per week like I used to do, you may just be wasting your time and investing where you won't really reap much. So if you want to do it, you have to put in the fire and, you know, get onto it fast. People earn millions from Nigeria on YouTube. Although, like I said, why am I saying like I said over and over again? I haven't seen any sewing content creator residing in Nigeria analyze their paycheck the way I did, but I have seen vloggers with similar RPM analyze their paycheck, and all of this improves over time. And even those people, if they show you what they were earning when they just started and when they just got monetized, maybe I shouldn't have shared that video. So that won't be the reason why somebody gets discouraged. Please, if you're thinking of doing YouTube, don't quit on it. Put in your fire. My recommendation is that you upload 3 times per week. Good content. Unfortunately for me, the content that works the best on my channel, that's tutorial. I can't do it 3 times per week because I have other things. So imagine if I'm uploading tutorial like 3 videos per week, different styles, trending styles, good thumbnail, good title. Guys, I won't be here today. I'll be like 100k subscribers already, and I'm not even exaggerating. That's just to tell you what is possible. Let me also add that the person that requested for that video wanted to know what a small YouTuber just starting out could earn. So that was why I chose to analyze that first year after monetization with my level of consistency, once in 2 weeks, sometimes once in a week. And that was what happened. So that was my first year. That's what you can earn at the beginning when you just start getting monetized. To make buttonhole for this shirt dress. I showed you guys in one vlog, but it has been here since the day Joy made it. I haven't fixed the buttonhole, so I'm using this my domestic sewing machine, and I have a tutorial on the channel already if you want to know how to fix buttonholes into your outfit. Okay, so I like to do a little practice first before I do button, and then you need some form of structure before you start fixing the button. Although I observed that Joy did not add interface in here, so it may be a little bit tough, but I'll just fold this and do my first practice after setting. You know, there are different sizes of buttons, different buttonholes. I'm not sure I actually have the button I want to use. Let me tell somebody to help me get buttons. I want to use like a simple shirt button. If I see one of it, I will just use it to create the buttonhole for sizing purpose. I found some, but I wanted something bigger. But since I already have this, it works. Even on shirts made for men, they usually use small buttons like this size. This is the other size I was considering. So it's bigger than this one. Let me see. For the wellness challenge I told you guys about, I need to first calculate my BMI. So I want to take my measurement. I'll just mark the measurement on the wall and then measure it with my tape, then impute it in centimeters. I don't want my hair to be part of it. Hey, see me marking my wall with blue chalk. Who does that? So let's measure. 150 plus 16, that's 166, right? I'll impute it in centimeter on the side to check my BMI. So my height, I've been writing rubbish everywhere, including my driver's license. Rubbish. I don't know what gave me the idea that was a 5'7", or maybe I actually took that measurement somewhere. I don't know. For some reasons, that's what I've been using everywhere. So I will calculate this to see if that's the measurement. If I'm correct, then that means I took my height somewhere, and that is what is just registered on my head. And your BMI is, I've forgotten, that's physiology graduates, MSc, but I've forgotten BMI. I know BMI is, I think it's weight over height and whatever, but I'm not sure of the units now. Is it height over weight? So, story of my life. I'll just make use of the site. 27.5, guys. Well, this is my fine weight. They said I'm overweight. Do you guys agree? Do you guys agree? They said I'm over. Excuse me. They said I have a healthy weight. Healthy weight for my height, but I am overweight, guys. But they said for my height is healthy. Can you imagine? I'm overweight. What? Your ethnicity means that with a BMI of 27.5 or more, you are at high risk of health problems. I reject it in Jesus' name. Amen. So I need to lose 5% of my weight to reduce health problems. I should aim to lose 3.8 kg. Me that will lose 10 kg. 10 kg, guys. That's what I want to lose. I want to go back to before childbirth weight. All right. So my needed daily water intake is 3 liters. I think I must be taking double of that. So now I have my grocery list ready. Like I told you guys, they've started already, but I didn't start on time. So I wrote out some things I need to buy because we have a menu we are following: unsweetened yogurt, almond milk. I'm to think I saw this yogurt in an eatery yesterday. Should have just bought it. Green tea, almond nuts, chai seed, olive oil, almond. Guys, I'm really excited about this. I need help to lose this weight, guys. I've been struggling with this after I pulled out of contraceptive. Contraceptive made me add a whooping 10 kg. 10. So after I pulled out, I tried and I lost 5 kg, and I've just been there for over a year, unable to lose anything. Last December, I settled down and I ate everything I wanted to. But the result of that is, I added some weight again. So now I'll be going to get some stuff. I'll get some fruit at the junction, some things at the supermarket. Show me loving. I need your. I'm at the supermarket. I was able to get some fruits from the roadside mallas. So I'm here to get some other things. Do you know I didn't bring my list? Okay, let me quickly write down another list. Get into it. I hope I won't forget it because I can't come. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me sound along my heart. Oh, are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Being myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crash.
We are done. So I'm going back to work, or maybe I'll pick my kids first, then go to I'll go to work, then from there I'll go pick my kids. So guys, for the rest of the wellness challenge, please check a vlog I posted on my personal channel, Kemi Omorugbe. It involved eating healthy, drinking sufficient water, exercising, sufficient sleep, and not eating late at night. This took 2 weeks and I documented the entire journey in the vlog I spoke about. I'll drop a link above and in the description box so you can check it out, and please subscribe to that channel. That is where I share everything not related to fashion design. I'm just such a passionate vlogger that I love to document, seasons of my life. Please do check it out, and I'm sure you will enjoy that. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next vlog, on the next video, tutorial, or whatever. I'm here for it. Bye.